Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal and eggs. First, gather your ingredients: rolled oats, water or milk, and 2 to 3 eggs. You'll also need a small pot, a non-stick pan, and basic seasonings like salt and pepper. This guide focuses on efficiency, ensuring you get a nutritious meal without a lot of fuss. We'll cover both components separately, then discuss combining them for a complete breakfast. For creamy oatmeal, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of water or milk in a small pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the oats are tender. Remove from heat, let it sit for 1 minute, then serve. Feel free to add a pinch of salt or a touch of sweetener. Now for the eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with about 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. Crack 2 to 3 eggs directly into the pan. For sunny side up, cook until the whites are set and yolks are runny, about 2 to 3 minutes. For scrambled, stir gently until cooked through. Season with salt and pepper immediately after cooking for optimal flavor. Once both your oatmeal and eggs are ready, plate them together for a delicious and balanced breakfast. This combination provides sustained energy and essential nutrients to start your day right. Feel free to experiment with different spices for your eggs, like paprika or hot sauce, and various toppings for your oatmeal, such as berries or a drizzle of honey. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic e-reader and other exclusive deals to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.